So once again I am with your new question paper of fundamental of literary criticism. So just have a look what kind of questions were asked last year related to this paper, and again the examination pattern will be same. There will be three sections, section A, section B and section C. Section A will be based on very short type questions, section B will be based on short type questions and section C will be based on detailed or descriptive type questions. In section A you will be given no option, means you will be given only 5 questions to answer and you have to answer to all. Each question will give you 2 marks. So in the section A we have 5 questions to answer, and all these questions, if you find here that all of them are repeated several times, you are asked these types of questions, so there is nothing new. For example, the very first question of this section is write a short note on Hasya Ras. Okay, Hasya Ras. What is Hasya Ras? Simple. You are being asked what is Hasya Ras. What does Longinus mean by grandeur of thought? Okay, and you have to write about the sublimity or Longinus theory of sublimity, grandeur of thought. Write a note on Aristotle's concept of imitation, theory of imitation of Aristotle. So this question is also very simple. Why? Because several times these questions have been asked. What was the occasion for Sir Philip Sidney's an apology for poetry? And the last one is write a note on Dr. Johnson's defense of Shakespearean's tragi-comedy, because Dr. Johnson was in favor of tragi-comedy. Then section B, you have to answer to only 2 questions out of 3 questions and each question will provide you 5 marks. Sixth one is what according to Aristotle are the constituents of tragedy. Why is Dryden known as the father of English literary criticism? And the last one of this section is what is the function of criticism according to Matthew Arnold. Now come to the section 3, section C, and there you will be asked only to answer 3 questions. The very first is write a detailed note about the main features of Rus theory. Again this question is also very simple. You have to tell about the Rus theory, theory of rasa. Discuss Aristotle's concept of catharsis. Okay, this question is also very simple. Theory of catharsis of Aristotle in the Poetics. Do you agree with Dr. Johnson's estimation of Shakespeare? Give a reasoned answer. Give your estimate of Coleridge's contribution to romantic criticism. And the last one is discuss critically Sidney's view that a poet does not simply imitate things that already exist but invents new things. Hello